Hi guys, so today we are coming to Marbo Cave and Cliff. We just got here. It was like a 3-minute walk once you parked in the parking lot. Super easy, just a little rocky, so. Hi people, Editing Dom here. Before we get back to the actual spot, I just wanted to rewind a bit and mention two quick things. Here's a shot of the parking lot in case you are searching to get here. Side note, there is a lot of trash as you make your way driving and in the parking lot. I don't know why people do this, but it's a thing. Like small dumping grounds at the trailheads of many hikes here. Super unfortunate, so pick up your trash, people, please. And the other thing I wanted to note as we make our way on this short walk to the cave, I was talking about editing this video and my friend told me that apparently Marbo Cave has been destroyed or messed up and ruined, at least for the time being. So just be aware of that in case you are in Guam and want to visit. Apparently there were some issues with a nearby construction project and it caused runoff to flood the cave, which you'll see in just a minute was a beautiful blue, clear, fresh source of water. I was just doing a little research and it was like ruined with dirt and debris and mud from all of the runoff. So I don't know how long it will take for this to be fixed or who's responsible for cleaning it up or if it can be fixed, but I just wanted to make sure you're aware of that situation before you try to go. Either way, I'm so happy that I filmed this day so that I can share the beauty of this place. And with that being said, we can jump back into this mini hike and we are here. So there's like, once you walk down the little path, there's a little clearing and to the left is the cave. And then later on, we're gonna walk up there and that's where the cliff is, I think. So let's go down into this cave. So much trash. So these steps here are pretty cool. There's a sort of staircase leading down into the cave, and at the bottom is a man-made platform, which people say was created and used by the Japanese forces in the 1940s, and then by the US military until about 1950. I guess the cement platform supported a large pump that was used to like bring up water from the spring as a way to supply fresh water. And now the cave is just mostly used as a cool spot to hang out and explore. This water is blue. This first little pool is not that deep, but you can walk around in Moses Cave back here. And then there's like a swing, some kids around. So it's really, really pretty. I want to come back here and just spend like the afternoon or something. But the water is fresh water, it's so pretty.
Hopefully that boulder doesn't fall on our head.
Yes, hopefully. It's dark. Oh my god, are there critters back here? Seriously?
No.
I'm not scared. Oh my god. What? Dang, we need a flashlight. Okay. Oh, that was freaking scary. So back there is the deeper pool. I think it's like 20 or 30 feet. But hopefully we're not going there today. Maybe we'll come back, but not today. Now we're gonna head to the cliff. So we're gonna hike. I think it's just a few minutes to get to the cliff part. Whew. We gotta get out of here. Come on,